Everyone, how are you today? Are you waiting for some miracle to happen that will change your life? Do you have a dream? Dream for yourself? A desire to be at some state? Are you waiting that you will be able to do everything for everyone instead of something for someone and yourself? Do you realize you will end up doing nothing for yourself or for no one around you? There is no superpower. People who are talented, people who are achieving success are not rare. It's not godlike, elusive, unusual power. They are one of us. The only difference is they are able to start from where they were, rather complaining, rather overthinking, rather discounting and discouraging themselves. They were able to start off somewhere. Failures will still come if you think you won't make mistakes, if you think you won't fail, if you have a fear of even success, that how would this treat you, you will continue in this space throughout your life. There'll be no perfect timing when you would stand up and say, today I want to achieve, unless you do it today. Do you realize a lot of us keep waiting in the daily rut, in the way life is passing, making some excuses, finding some reasons that this is why I'm not doing it, and then they regret. Do you want to be one of those? I'm sure no. Then stand up and find your path. Find what you want to leave as a legacy. Something which gives you kick. Find out what you want to do, what you have been postponing. Stand up. Take care.